Hey, to input nano SIM card into your Realme GT6, first of all you will have to prepare this SIM tool. You can find it in the box of the Realme GT6. And this SIM tray is actually located right here at the bottom on the left side of the USB-C port. So we have to input here this SIM tool and now press on it. Then remove SIM tool, grab your slot with the fingers, for example. And right now we get option to input two SIM cards right here and right here. So I'm gonna input it like this. There we go. This is actually how it looks when it is inside. And now to put it back, we have to just grab the phone and input this in this specific position. There we go. Now just press with your finger and it's actually finished. So right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.